Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to check your gift card balance on New Balance website. If you don't have a New Balance account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get free shipping on orders $50 plus. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the bottom. And you will see a section for Shop. Under Shop, you will see an option that says Gift Cards. Click on Gift Cards. On the gift card screen, scroll down a little. Then here, you will see a button that says Check Balance. Click on Check Balance. On the field provided, enter the gift card number and PIN. After entering, click on Check Balance. That's how you check your gift card balance on New Balance website. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.